Yeah.
Evening guys, Al here again. So off on another adventure, Hogsbrook. Yeah, I'm getting the carp gear out again. I know that the owner of Carp Baits, Matt, is going to be there. So it'd be nice to hook up with him. Hopefully you can get a monster for the channel. No pressure on you, Matt. But yeah, it's an early start, so I'll see you in the morning. So 6 o'clock in the morning, both rods are in the water. There's 6 blokes here. I think that's the maximum allowed on the lake at the minute. Fingers crossed we'll get something. I'm using a Snowman on one, which is a Carp DM TSG boilie topped with Frazzling Maple. And I've got a green krill pop up on the other. So yeah, hopes are high. The rain's coming now, so yeah, give it a go, see what we can get. So as most of you know, I've not been in the carp game too long. That's what the professionals look like. I can see myself getting wet today. So I've just brought my rod in. Matt basically said that my rig was pretty rubbish, so he's going to sort me out with one of his. He'll talk you through it now.
Right then, so what we've done for Alex, he wasn't using any form of anti-tangle tubing before, so we put a bit of tungsten tubing on, just to help protect the fish and keep everything pinned down out the way. There's normal leg clip setup, obviously for fish safety. Should they need to, they can get rid of the leg. And I've just put them on a little multi-rig with a nice wafter hook bait, instead of a supple braided hook, which is instead of a supple braided hook link, which is prone to tangles. Give that a go and hopefully catch him as PB. Lovely, thank you very much. So hopefully you can hear me. Yeah, I booked to come here 2 days ago and it said it wasn't raining, but now it's pretty harsh. But hopefully it spurs the fish on. Yeah, fingers crossed. So still nothing. Just having a quick walk around, see if there's anything showing. Just saw some bubbles in the center of the lake, but that is pretty much it. Well, there's 6 of us, you can see there, that are set up on this side. There's another bloke on the other side. So on this side alone, we've got 15 baits in the water, but nothing yet, no takes, no line bites or nothing. Don't know if they're just not feeding, or I'm sort of relying on these boys to get something. We'll keep persevering, but it's not looking too good. So I'm fishing, one just in there, and one just in front of the trees there. Rambo is next to me, has got one just by the tree and in close, and there's probably another 4 or 5 baits in the center, and then 4 down the bottom end. Just to show you how good the fishing is, listen to this snoring. We were just packing up. Jace had a take. Unfortunately, spat the hook. I'm going home. There you go, guys. Another session done. So, hard day. Yeah. I mean, what can I say about it? There was 6 of us along that bank. So, I think there was 15 baits in the water. As we were leaving, Jace, who was a bit further down from me, he got a take.
Unfortunately, didn't get it in, but that was the only take all day. We were speaking between bivvies and stuff. I just want to say a massive thank you to the boys that were there. The knowledge I've learned today is unbelievable, so massive thank you. Obviously, we kept our distance and stuff, but talking between bivvies, we were talking about rigs, zigs, chods, Ronnies, all of them. So yeah, massive thank you guys. Honestly, the knowledge I've got today is unbelievable. So massive thank you. Like I've said on the channel, I'm going to show you every session just to show you what fishing's about. It's not always about catching, and the main objective at the minute is to get out, get the rods in the water, get some fresh air. So again, mission accomplished. As always, guys, give us a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notifications bell so any events that we go on, you can come with us, and we'll see you at the next session.